guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zip files in Wix. So let's get started. So from in there, just need to look for an element that you want to integrate or link a document or the zip file into. So for example, I want to use this text right here, which is the small life. I can just click on that. And then from in there, click on this link option right here. Once you have clicked on your linked option, you will be able to see this right here. So from there, click on this document, then click on this choose file. And then once you have done that, it will open this right here. What we can do is we can upload the media that we want to use. So for this one, I will just drag and drop this zip file right here. And then this will upload to this doc gallery of the Wix website. So in here, as you can see, it is uploading and it's been added right here. So just click on select that right here and click on add page. Then once you have clicked on add to page, just click on done. And then once you have published your website, so let's try to publish your website. And then let's view our site once we're done that. So once you have view our site and click on the mount live or the element that have integrated that, should be able to open or see what it will look like. So let's just wait for this. Then head over to this right here. Then as you can see, this is that. So click on this. Then as you can see, it will download the zip file that they have uploaded on our website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add zip file to Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.